Hey Power Platform users, ready to take your skills to the next level? The Power Platform Community Conference, PPCC 2026, brings together Microsoft leaders, product teams, engineers, MVPs, practitioners, and makers for 3 days of learning, hands-on experiences, and community connection. Discover what's next. PPCC 2026 will feature 200+ sessions, hands-on workshops, 3 days of keynotes, on-site AI and agent certification opportunities, and a global community exploring the future of AI. Dive into Copilot, Copilot Studio, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, and Dataverse, while discovering how agents, apps, workflows, automation, and trusted data can work together to create complete business solutions. Learn from experts shaping the platform. Hear from Microsoft leaders, engineers, product managers, enterprise practitioners, MVPs, and community experts as they share insights on Copilot, agents, AI, and the future of the Power Platform. Turn AI ideas into real-world solutions. Explore sessions covering Copilot-first app design, multi-agent systems, AI evaluation and governance, intelligent automation, enterprise architecture, and adoption. Learn how organizations can move beyond AI experimentation and build secure, scalable solutions that connect people, processes, applications, automation, and trusted data. Build skills through hands-on learning. Full-day workshops on October 25th, 26th, and 30th offer guided, practical learning opportunities. Add 1, 2, or 3 workshops to your conference pass and take advantage of on-site AI and agent certification opportunities to strengthen your skills and advance your career. Connect, collaborate, and grow. PPCC is more than a conference. It's an opportunity to meet people tackling similar challenges, learn from experienced practitioners, and discover ideas you can bring back to your organization. Explore the expo hall, see what makers are creating in the makers market, meet community leaders, and join meetups, networking activities, and the night market. Experience more than the sessions. On Wednesday, October 28th, 2026, attendees can enjoy an exclusive celebration featuring a live performance by Pitbull. Don't just watch the next era of AI-powered solution building take shape. Come to PPCC and be part of it. Mark your calendar. PPCC 2026 takes place October 27th to 29th, 2026 at MGM Grand in Las Vegas. Stay tuned for more Power Platform updates.